I don't got Brazilian body wave in my hair either now, do I? I want a banana. You want to be down, sis? I don't want to do that. Chiquita, Chiquita, Chiquita. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyra Shawn. Today's video is brought to you by MyQualityHair. They've kind of sent me a unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into the install of how I define my curls as well as how I get my thin hairline together, make sure if you're new to the channel you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Let me lay it on the line. I got a little freakiness inside, and you know that a man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say, I'm not about to pay nobody's way, cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. I need a roughneck brother that can satisfy me, just for me, if you are that kind of man, cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody's saying, cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn, and we can all through the night to the early morn. The morning I will take you around the hood on a gangster league, cause we can any time of day, it's all good for me. Keep it up, now there you go. That's just one thing that a man must do. I'm packing all the flavor you need. I got you shook up on your knees, cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. I need a roughneck that can satisfy me, just for me, if you are that kind of man, cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody thinks we don't give a damn about a thing.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from MyQualityHair. It is their gorgeous curly headband unit. It comes in the color Dip 30 and the starting price for this unit is $102. Obviously that price will go up depending on the specs you choose for your unit. This unit comes in a 10 to 24 inches, 130, 150, or 180% density, as well as a small, medium, or large cap size. Okay, so you can get whatever you like. Slay your budget. For my specs, I got the 20 inches and 150% density, as well as a large cap, because you guys know my big old dome. We big in here. Now you know I got you with a coupon code, so that will be linked down below, as well as my specs and the direct link for this unit. So if you guys want to check it out for yourself, you can definitely do that. Now the texture of this unit is on the silky side, so like a 2C, 3A type of joint. I did go in and wash and condition my unit with my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and let me tell you, that shampoo and conditioner combo, get that joint. One, it smells good. Two, it leaves the hair really soft and manageable, and it helps define my curls, along with my Felicia Leatherwood brush that I got from Amazon that's linked down below. Using those products and that brush together got my curls all the way together. This is how that joint is looking. Let me turn to the side so you guys can see that. All right, and put it all to the back. That color is so pretty, and this is how she looking to the back. Okay, I did let my unit air dry for about an hour, and then I went in with my diffuser, as you saw in my put down. I had very minimal shedding when I did the co-wash. I had no shedding once I went in and, you know, did my little styling with my unit. No tangling whatsoever. Like, this unit is very low maintenance. If you are someone who doesn't want to do a whole bunch of work with your unit, but you want a human hair unit, the headband human hair wig trend is still up and kicking. They still trucking along. It's perfect for beginners. It's perfect for people who don't want to do a whole bunch with their hairline, people who do not have a hairline or thinning hairline. As you know, I do have a thinning hairline. That's just naturally how my hairline is, and it's mainly thin right in this area. So normally what I do is use my Cream of Nature black edges. I've used this on my channel before, and I do like it. However, if I couple this with another product, it turns white. It gets real ghost friendly up in here, okay? And I be looking crazy, okay? I'll be looking crazy. You see this? Okay, look at this right here. That's how I'll be looking if I use that joint with any other edge control or any other product in my hair, okay? We don't want that. We don't want So I went in with my other trick. I used my black eyeliner pencil. I got this joint from Walmart for about $1, and I just go in and fill in my hairline to kind of darken that up. Now they do sell products on Amazon and in the beauty supply store. They give you like the little faux hair or whatever, the little hair crumbles. What is it? The hair fibers or whatever in the little shake bottle. The little I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I did my little eyeliner trick, I did my little simple swoops or whatever to get her together, and this is what we sitting like. But I really want to do an up style with this unit, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now I don't know how this is gonna work out. Hold on, don't mess up my curls. Don't mess up my curls. Then lost the bow, child. So before I get started, I'm gonna take my comb here. I'm gonna try to fluff through the unit just a little bit, because again, I want my ponytail to be real fluffy and juicy. Okay, y'all see that? Look how that comb does that. It's that comb getting to work, don't it? You can definitely do a half up, half down with this. You can do a full up ponytail if you want to. I'm gonna take a scrunchie. Like that. I'm gonna take another one up here. Like that. Take this little scarf that I got. Cross that. I'm gonna tie it. I'm gonna wrap it around like this. I'm gonna play with it, get her all together. Okay, I'm just gonna keep playing with this until I get the desired look, and then I'm going to pin it in the back. This calls for some big hoops. Oh yeah. I love how this hair looks. Is it natural for my hair texture? No. Okay, it's not. I don't got Brazilian body wave in my hair either now, do I? Okay, so that's what wigs are for. They're supposed to give you a different look. What's this one right here? Let me see. You want to be down? You want to be down, sis? No, you don't. No, you don't. Okay, that's how she looking to the back. Okay, y'all see how this is looking? Okay, I want a banana. Chiquita, come on, I got the nails. The only thing is, I wish the curl would start at the root. That's my only like preference, con, whatever you want to call it. Other than that though, the unit is gorgeous. If you want to spice up your life just a smidge, go ahead and check it out. As always, I will put the direct link as well as my specs and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Shout out one more time to MyQualityHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.